Namaskar, my dear friend. Myself, DP Gangwar, Director, DP Forensic Lab, former Assistant Director and HOD, Physics and Cyber. Once again, welcome you in my YouTube channel, DP Forensic Lab. In today's video, I will discuss about vehicle speed determination using CCTV footage. As we know that the basic formula of the speed is equal to distance upon the time. So, in this case also, we applied this formula, speed is equal to distance upon time. So, by using of the CCTV footage analysis, we measure these two parameters, distance and the time. So, how the distance is measured? There is a different method for measurement of the distance. First method is by the analysis of the video, you have to mark two reference point. Suppose in this case, reference point 1 A, and if this is a reference point B. And while visiting on the spot, you have to measure this distance from the A to B in one way. There is another method also for measurement of the distance. I will discuss in the next video. But in this video, this is a very simple method. You can measure the distance between two reference points, point A and point B, between these 2 points. And another is now time. How the time is determined using the CCTV footage. So you have to calculate the total time. First, number of the frames traveled by the distance A to B. How many frames? Total number of the frames. By using the any suitable software, you can measure the total number of the frames traveled by in the distance A to B, and then divided by the IFPS, frame per second. This is a property of a video. So in this case, suppose if this is a video, the frame rate came 29.587. I have checked for the two different software, Media Info and the Media Tape, but the frame rate coming the same. So this means this video having the frame rate 29.587. So in such way, you can calculate the time taken by the vehicle in movement from point A to B. Then you can apply this simple formula, distance upon time. For example, if the distance is measured the 200 meter while the visiting at the spot and the time is 7 seconds, the method for measurement of this and this I have just described. So when I applied this formula, the speed is came 28.57 meter per second. This can be changed in the kilometer per hour, because in general life we understood better, or in many ways it is a more understandable the speed a kilometer per hour. So in such case this came 102.85 kilometer per hour. This technique I have applied in the many crime cases successfully. In one cases, the distance between the reference point tree number 2 and the hitting point measured by the 25 meter. The distance, this measure I have measured this distance from the spot. And the time taken by the car appearing the CCTV footage from the reference point to hitting the point estimate 1.4 seconds based on the frame rate of the CCTV footage, as I had described in the previous slides. So in such cases, the speed came the 64 kilometer per hour, and this speed is not permissible within the city. So this means, this proof the person is going the higher to the permissible limit. So so this can be proved the person is moving the higher speed, which is permissible. So in such case, you can apply this formula for estimating of the speed. As I have told, this I have applied successfully in many cases. So thank you, my dear friends. If you think this is a slightly informative video, please subscribe my channel or give any comment or suggestion so I can make a further video in the better form. Thank you.